Alright, what it do, what it do, man. Rex J in the mother effing building. So again, I got another Bible verse for you guys. It's Jeremiah 29:11. And it says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future." So please follow Jesus Christ. Please follow Jesus Christ. Open up your holy Bibles and follow Jesus Christ. So today we is looking at US 30. And to be honest, I don't know if I want to trade today. Not even gonna lie to you. The only reason why I do want to place a trade is because I do want to pass this combine account. So yeah, I'm gonna look for some trades, see if I can find something, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I want to see if I can find something. I don't really like trading 4 times a month. I mean, I said 4 times a month, 4 times in one week, but I need to try to pass this account. If I don't see a setup, I will not take a trade. I'm not about to force no trade, but if I do see a trade, I will be taking it. Um, right now, I think we possibly can go down, but I do need to see some type of sweep first with Nas 100. I was looking at US 30, but US 30, I don't know if we want to go up or down. We probably could sweep here and then possibly move lower, or we can tap into this fair value gap here and then possibly sweep this liquidity level. So we either can go into this fair value gap here that I got marked out on the 4 hour, or sweep this 5 minute buy side liquidity and then push lower. Um, yeah, that's pretty much the plan for today. And then with Nas, we probably could sweep here and then push lower. I believe we can absolutely go lower. Um, let me mark something out really quick. I'm gonna mark this out really quick. Because these is equal lows sitting above here. So if we can possibly sweep here, just fill in this gap a little bit more and then push down, I will take a sell. But I gotta see the fair value gap after we sweep liquidity on the 15 minute. So let's just see if we can do that. Um, yesterday was pretty interesting, as y'all can see. How that went. We almost got the account, but YM wanted to play with us yesterday. So let's just see if we can actually get the account today. And on NAS 100, I will be trading all 5 of my accounts today. And to be honest, I probably wouldn't even need to on NAS, I probably wouldn't even have to do my full risk. I probably can just do 3 micro contracts. But with YM, I will be doing the full risk if I do see a setup on YM. But I think I could probably do three micro contracts on NQ. It all depends. Let's just see how this goes. But I do think we can possibly sweep this liquidity down here, since we didn't sweep it when we did that push yesterday. So let's just see if we can get this sweep on the 15-minute buy side and possibly push lower. Get the fair value gap and possibly push lower. So that's all I'm pretty much waiting on. Yeah, no bull. But we is 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes until market open. So we just gotta wait for a little bit. But I ain't gonna lie, if I do see a sweep, because I don't know, I do want to push lower. but we possibly could push higher just to sweep these equal lows. I mean, equal highs up here. But I don't know. I'm not sure. I forgot we have news. We do have a lot of news today, so I actually gotta wait. I think until like 8:45 though, cause we got high impact news. Wait, hold on. Right here. You got PMI at 8:45. 9 a.m. I don't really care about existing home sales. I don't think it's gonna have too much of an effect on the market. But since PMI is a red day, I'm gonna have to wait until 8:45. And I'm gonna have to wait 6 minutes after 6 minutes after news on my funded account, on my instant funded account. So let's just we're gonna have to wait. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait. But we about to market up about to happen now, New York session. So let's just see what's going on. But I think Nas do want to sweep that liquidity level up here. And then hopefully we can capture a move lower. Cause I don't think that we just gonna go here. I mean, we could possibly go to this 4 hour and then push lower. But I'm overall bearish. I am not bullish today. Um, I'm not bullish at all today. Okay, here go market open. So I gotta wait till after that news come out. We probably won't even get a trade today, bro. But we just gotta see. And it looked like Nas want to just go down. It didn't even want to go up here to sweep. But let's see. Okay. Yeah, we approaching this gap here. I want to see if we see some type of reaction off of that. Because honestly, I do want to go lower. I don't think we want to go up here, but the way this week been, I don't know. We might can, you know, might can. Let's see. That's a big gap right there. Yeah, that's a. Well, it ain't too big, but it's a big ass candle. Mm. We still in this fair value gap on the 15-minute. I'm also looking at that. So I'm not sure if we actually want to sweep just yet, because we is still in this gap right here. But I don't know. We possibly can. If we can get that sweep, I will be taking sales. Not even gonna lie. Hopefully they don't do it before news come out. Because honestly, I believe we can go and sweep here. Not just here, but I believe we can sweep here also. YM also, look, it's going off that fair value gap. That 4 hour fair value gap is bouncing off right now. Yeah, I would like to sweep Asian highs. I would like to. Not gonna lie, we possibly can tap here. But again, this is before the market. Before not before the market, but before news. So I wouldn't want to take that right now. But it do look nice, right? Going off the fair value gap, make another fair value gap. But we didn't get a break of structure yet, so we possibly can continue down. And it look like Nas want to do the same thing and not sweep up here. So now all we gotta do is just wait, man. I do not like when news. I like when news hit before, like at like 7:30. Well, 7:30 my time, like Chicago time. Then we find us a trade, not in the middle of the session, like at 8:45. Cause then I gotta wait after that, bro. And then Friday I'm not trading, and Powell he's speaking, so the market might be nuts tomorrow. Come on, Nas, let's sweep first. Let's sweep up here first, and then go down. Oh wait, let me take this off. But we possibly could go into this fair value gap also. So on the 4 hour. I think we got about 8 minutes until the news come out. And you know what? We cooked up. All right, since we waiting, I'm gonna show y'all how we cooked up on FOMC on US 30 yesterday. Um, okay, this is about 1 o'clock. This was at FOMC. Okay, this was FOMC right here. We pushed down, and then look, we got the sweep. So I actually could have waited. The afternoon session still caught a good caught a decent trade right here. Boom. Chase this high right here. That'd have been a 4-to-1 risk reward. So yeah, we did also cook up on the afternoon session. But you know I took this trade here after we had swept previous liquidity. And then the gap, boom, then we took that down. But I also could have caught this trade. But I was already done from the morning. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I really want to sweep up here. We did go into this gap here. We get in the gap. Okay, yeah. If we get into this gap, I'm most likely about to take it. Get into this gap. I most likely will take it if it leave a gap. Let me see. If we can go back into that gap. I think we can though. We ain't going to that gap yet. That'll be unfortunate if we don't go into there first. Damn, bro. I want to go into that gap first. But if we don't, then fuck it. Yeah, I don't know if we about to. Mm. Okay, if we make a gap on US 30, I'll take that. Because fucking Nas just ran away from us. Hopefully we can make a yellow candle in the gap. I don't even look like we is. Wait. Alright, I took a sell. Oh, wait. I didn't take a sell on my other account. Oh shoot. Oh, I took an L on one of my accounts. I took an L. Yeah, I took an L on one of my accounts, bro. Damn, and I risked a lot on that. That's sad, bro. Yeah, I took it on this one, bro. 390, 396 for the L. Yeah, that's unfortunate. So I took one loss. I would have took a loss on Top Step X, but it didn't execute me. So yeah, that's an L 396. Damn, let me look at US 30. Go to NAS. Yeah, I took this fair value gap. I knew I probably shouldn't have took it, but shit, it is what it is. Yeah, 396 for the loss. Let me see something. Damn, I lost almost 400 on that trade. That's crazy. This week. This week was a losing week. That's what, 318 for this week on this account. Um, yeah, I might not. Yeah, I'm not gonna take another trade, so that's unfortunate. Wait. Yep, that's unfortunate. That's crazy how that candle did that. Yeah, I'm glad I'm actually happy it didn't execute on my on Top Step X. But well, this all right. That's the end of the video. Remember, follow Jesus Christ. Remember, follow Jesus Christ. But okay. Here we up. We is up for the week. Up 761 for the week. Um, but on here we is down 318. My funded, the one that I'm actually making money on. We are down 318. So again, thank y'all for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and again, follow Jesus Christ. Again, follow Jesus Christ. All right, peace.